I used to envy those people that would just think of an idea like now, and the next minute these guys are executing it. And then I'm there like, wait a minute, what's happening? So when I was done with school, you know, I was into copywriting, blog writing, and the rest. And then I told myself that I wanted to start sharing my journey. I wanted to start building my own personal brand, And I finished school 5 years ago, right? So, you know, and I told myself that, okay, I wanted to start creating content. I wanted to start putting myself out there. And then, as someone who suffers from imposter syndrome and a little bit of perfectionism. I always used to feel like I'm not good enough, or thinking that I want to make sure everything is okay, it's perfect to the standard of people. People will see it and be like, wow, this is, you know, and it can be an endless cycle because it doesn't just end. It doesn't just end. So I told myself that, okay, I was going to start creating content, start putting myself out there. This is 5 years down the line, and I'm just starting this year. I didn't start. And it got to a point where I told myself, okay, it's because I didn't have like a good phone. Okay, it's because I don't have lights, I didn't have mic, I don't have a system. Guess what? 2 years ago, I was able to get my mic, I was able to get a good phone, I was able to get a laptop, I was able to get lights. I still didn't start. So the problem wasn't with all of those things. It was just a mindset I've built, and because of that mindset, I was procrastinating a lot, like a lot. Something that I'll tell myself that, okay, I was going to create video today. When that time comes, I'll be like, let me just leave it tomorrow. Tomorrow, the same thing. A year passed, 2 years gone. Like I didn't do anything. And then this year, one of the things that really helped me, I watch a lot of videos. I see all of you doing great things, and I'm like, wow, you guys are really amazing. I wish I had that. I don't know. I wish I had that. I wish I wasn't concerned about what people will think, what people will say, how my video will come out, being worried about not having like enough the necessary things I need to get started. I wish I just started with what I have, with where I am, with what I have, with the knowledge I had. By now, I would have been boiling, like boiling. But yeah, I'm really happy for the push I gave myself, and what changed, I just realized that it's just simply putting your phone and pressing record and then doing your thing. You don't have to try to be somebody else. It's just you, your journey. You are trying to share your own journey. And I think that made it really easy for me. I'm like, okay, let me just share my journey. Things I've learned, things that have happened. I started data analytics last year, so I just want to start sharing my journey. However imperfect it seems, sharing my journey and sharing my process, sharing what I'm learning, the challenges I'm facing, classes I'm taking. Like I'm currently taking classes that's been really, really challenging. So sharing all of those things should not be a big deal because this is what I'm currently like going through, so it's not a big deal. And what also helped me was I watched a lot of videos, like a lot of videos, and I get inspiration when I see people defying the odds, not caring about how they look, how the video comes out, and they're just doing their thing. Like I'm inspired, I'm encouraged, I'm motivated, whatever it is you want to say. Like I am all of those things, and I'm like, yeah, I can also, however imperfect it might seem, I can also. So this year I decided to like just don't care. Like I don't care anymore. I just want to do my thing. Like I don't care anymore. I just want to do my thing. So yeah, and there's nothing wrong in being seen trying. Like you are trying. Like there's nothing wrong in that. Like you have to learn how to embrace that. Like there's nothing wrong in trying. So this is me trying. This is me trying to show up, you know, This is me trying to share my journey, just trying to do my thing without caring how it looks, how it feels, So there's really nothing wrong in trying. And I think what it helped me to achieve is I started seeing areas I was making mistakes, I was lacking, and learning to do better. So it's in starting, it's in trying that you learn to do better. You don't learn to do better by procrastinating. So in trying, you actually learn to do better. Yeah. So this is for those people also that like me, like you want to start creating content, but you don't know how. You are just worried about a lot of things. See, honestly, people don't care. People don't care. Just start doing your thing, start showing up, start creating. However it looks, however imperfect it seems, it's still better than not trying and not doing anything. All right. So this is your motivation. This is inspiration you need. This video is that push you need. Start. That's it. Start.